Hydro International College presents an immersive full-time 3-year National Health and Skincare Diploma course NQF6, meticulously designed to equip you with an extensive toolkit for a confident entry into the dynamic health and skincare industry. Our program also provides an exclusive opportunity to achieve national diplomas and international awards tailored to the nuances of the health and skincare sector. In the first year, you will be taught the fundamentals of beauty therapy. You will embark on your journey with a comprehensive curriculum covering essential modules, including facials including skin analysis to identify skin concerns, as well as deep cleansing, tinting and shaping, waxing including leg, underarm and bikini waxing, makeup including day makeup, evening makeup, bridal makeup, photographic makeup, traditional style makeup such as American, Japanese, French and more, Swedish massage, manicures and pedicures, consultation and business management, deportment, occupational health and safety, body therapy 1, anatomy and physiology 1, cosmetic science, nutrition 1 and many more. In your second year you expand your expertise with advanced modules focusing on specialized treatments. Modules included are facials 2 specializing in heat treatments, galvanic, ferratic, high frequency, vacuum suction, brush machine and more. Body therapy 2 with specialization in slimming treatments such as galvanic, ferratic, vacuum suction, G5, heat lamps and more. Reflexology foot massage 1. Aromatherapy body massage 1. Stress massage. Lomi massage. Advanced manicures and pedicure including gel polish application and nail art. Anatomy and physiology 2. Business management 2. Nutrition 2. Science and chemistry. Psychology and many more. In the third year you will elevate your craft by diving into a realm of specialization with modules encompassing spa therapies including body wraps, body scrubs, water therapy, dry and wet flotation tanks, Vichy showers, sauna and more. Massages including sports massage, manual lymphatic drainage, reflexology foot massage 2, aromatherapy body massage 2, shiatsu, hot stone massage, infant massage, Thai yoga massage, cupping massage, and Indian head massage. Aesthetic treatments such as advanced skin evaluation, skin aging, dermaplaning, microneedling, chemical peels, mesotherapy, blemish removal through thermolysis and cryotherapy, microdermabrasion, light therapy including laser hair removal, laser skin renewal, laser varicose vein removal, and UV skin healing light therapy, and many more. Permanent makeup where you will learn to do eyeliner and eyebrows including a new shading technique. Additional skills including microblading, eyelash extensions, brow lamination, lash lifting, skin tag cauterization, food management, spa business management and many more. The National Health and Skincare Diploma will sculpt you into a therapist above the rest in the industry. The requirements to enter the National Health and Skincare Diploma NQF6 is a matric certificate as well as being over the age of 17. We offer convenient student accommodation for those beyond our campus vicinity, international students, or students that don't wish to travel to college every day. Our National Health and Skincare Qualification NQF6 opens doors for you to work in prestigious spas and aesthetic clinics worldwide, as well as cruise liners. Registration for the NQF6 course is ongoing. For detailed information, visit our website at www.hydroint.co.za. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to the esteemed ranks of Hydro International College.